Hello guys, you're watching the Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can scan and clean viruses from Samsung Galaxy A22. So before starting video, if you're first time on the channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to scan or clean viruses from Samsung Galaxy A22, first of all you just need to open settings. So simply just open settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.